of January, day 17. A couple of days ago on Blue Sky, Costa Samaras, director of the Carnegie Mellon University Scott Institute for Energy Innovation, was talking about grabbing a vegan McRib sandwich on the way from New York to Montreal on a high-speed train, and that future sounded so yummy to me. I thought I would do what I could to help make it a reality. So here it is, the vegan McRib part anyways. Drain and rinse 500 milliliters or 117-ounce can of jackfruit in brine. Oh! Let's try that again. Now add the jackfruit to a steamer and steam for 10 minutes. Once steamed, chop up roughly. Combine the jackfruit thoroughly with 700 grams or 25 ounces of Beyond Meat, 2 of these packages. Weigh out about 148 grams, that's 5 1/4 ounces per patty. Use the parchment paper so they don't stick to the surface. Make it the same size as your bun. Sprinkle each one with some barbecue rub and toast the buns. I do this over the toaster. You're gonna need a bag of 8 of them. In a pan, add the patties. Cook for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, flip and brush with some barbecue sauce. Now cook for another 3 minutes. Flip and brush with more barbecue sauce. While it's cooking, prepare some aioli by combining 125 milliliters or half a cup of vegan mayo, 1 minced clove of garlic, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste in a bowl. Remove the patties from the skillet. Dress the bottom bun with some of the aioli and put the McRib on top. Now add some more aioli to the other bun. Add some more barbecue sauce on top of the McRib. Put some diced onions on top and add some dill pickles. More aioli, then finish with the bun. That looks amazing. Let's try it out. That is so good. That is amazing. Okay, now about that high-speed train. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.